Welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at our third rule with algebraic powers. Example 1. Simplify x to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 3. Well, notice the 3, the power of 3 outside the brackets, means whatever's in the brackets is going to be multiplied by itself 3 times. A power of 3 means to multiply by itself 3 times. So inside the brackets we have x squared. So we're going to take x squared and multiply it by x squared and multiply it by x squared 3 times. That's what a power of 3 means. Well, this is x to the power of 6. X squared times x squared times x squared makes x6. Remember back to rule number 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2 makes 6. A quicker way of doing that was to multiply 2 by 3 to get 6. Right, example 2. Simplify d to the power of 6 all raised to the power of 5. So again, that power of 5 out the brackets means we're going to take whatever's inside the brackets and multiply by itself once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. D to the power of 6 times 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 d to the power of 6 makes d to the power of 30. Once again, think back to rule number 1. When we multiply powers, we can add them. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 30. But once again, a quicker way of doing this would have been to take the 6 and multiply it by the 5 to get 30. So, when we take a power and raise it to another power inside brackets, we can take the two powers and multiply them to get our new power. So, example 3. Simplify w squared all raised to the power of 4. Well, let's use this new rule and multiply the two powers. 2 times 4 is 8, so we're going to get w to the power of 8. Remember, we can only use this rule by multiplying powers when we see brackets. Right, example 4. Simplify w squared y cubed all raised to the power of 4. Well, in this case we're going to start off with a w squared raised to the power of 4, and we're going to go 2 times 4 is 8 to make w to the power of 8. And then we're going to take the y to the power of 3 all raised to the power of 4 and go 3 times 4 is 12 and write down y to the power of 12 and write our final answer as w to the power of 8 times y to the power of 12. Alright, one last example. Simplify r squared s all raised to the power of 5. Well, once again, we can take r squared and raise that to the power of 5 and go 2 times 5 is 10 to make r to the power of 10. But remember that s by itself is an s to the power of 1, so we're going to go 1 times 5 to make 5 and get s to the power of 5. So our final answer is r to the power of 10 times s to the power of 5. Fantastic, thank you for watching.